Hello everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. So in this short how-to video, we'll be doing an install for the side mirror tint right here for the clear indicator lens. This is for the 11th gen Honda Civic. Pretty basic. What you want to do is make sure that you want to clean this area really well. Take the alcohol wipe it down and dry it off with a microfiber cloth. And you want to make sure that there's no water or anything that's in between this area, right? So after you've done that, it's pretty simple. Your kit comes with two pieces, one for the left and right side. And all you're going to do is that you're going to remove the badgeskin from the backing. And you notice that you have a tab here. And then everything's going to be trimmed nice and tight. So what you can do is just kind of hold it like this. And you're just going to line it up tip to tip from the tip of the vinyl to the lens. And one of the great tools that you can use is a micro squeegee like this. Right, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna line it up the best you can, and if you don't like it, you can just kind of pull it off like this, right? So I'm gonna line it up, I'm gonna tap down the tip, and then what you're gonna do is that you're just gonna start squeezing it across, and you're gonna use this to kind of line up the badgeskin to the lens, top and bottom, and you're just gonna keep working all the way across. And once you get to the end here, you're just gonna keep going and round that little corner and tack it down. Pretty simple. I can just go run over it with a little bit of pressure with my finger to make sure that everything's tacked down well. And then I'm going to peel the masking off at 180 degrees. Just like this. Now I'm just make sure that I go over all the edges. Make sure that everything is good and clean. As you can see, I can get right in there in between the trim piece and the lens. So don't be afraid to kind of give it a little bit of pressure. You see how I can stick that right in there? And this is pretty well it. It's a very simple install. If you want, you can do a quick heat treat with a heat gun or a hair dryer if you don't have one. But it's a very simple mod. It just changes the look. We have different options and colors. For this install, we did yellow because it's a great contrast, but you can use a smoke or any color you like. Thanks for watching, guys.